Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Genius Hub. So guys, Accenture started their 2021 off-campus drive in this pandemic situation. And guys, in this video we'll discuss how we can apply for the position of Accenture. Guys, we all know that Accenture is a multinational management consulting and technology services and outsourcing company, and the headquarters is Ireland. So they offering the post associate software engineer, and the experience is you can maybe freshers or 1 year experience, and the job location is Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, Gurugram, any of this location, and salary depends on industry standards. Now comes to the point, the eligibility criteria. All the engineering stream and branches from BTech and BE 2029 and 2020 graduates can apply, and you must have 6.5 CGPA or 65% and no active backlog at the time of the recruitment process and during onboarding. Maximum 1 year gap in the education. The candidate should have certification, academic project experience, internship or work experience in the following technologies: Java, ASP.NET, SFDC. Candidates must be eligible to work in India either by the citizenship or have relevant work permit documents. Candidates who have worked or applied an Accenture before must disclose the details at the time of the application. So now the job description. You must have work in a field of technology. So design, build, test, assembly, support, configure the application and using business requirement. Understand the business drivers that will impact performance and deliver software to those expectation. Responsibly for incident resolution and support extended to customer through voice interaction, email, chat and remote support. So guys, how can you apply? Interested and eligible candidate can apply through the link which is attached in the description box, and you can also apply from directly the Accenture website. So hope you guys like our video and get more videos for upcoming campus drive. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.